The foldable Android phone become a new trend and popular. There are two types of Android foldable, flip mode and fold mode. With flip mode, we can have a normal smartphone but at the same time transform it into a compact phone. And the fold mode has a bigger screen but can be folded like a book. So what is the best foldable smartphone for right now? We compile a list of the best foldables you can buy. Google Pixel Fold. Yours is one of the best folding smartphone. It costs $1,799, which is expensive. When the phone is folded, you will enjoy a large 5.8-inch exterior display. It has 2092 by 1080 resolution and a 120Hz display refresh rate. The larger interior display measures 7.6 inches and also has a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by Google Tensor G2 with 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of storage and 4821 mAh battery with 21W wire charging. The Pixel Fold packs a 48MP primary camera accompanied by two 10.8MP lenses, one wide and one ultra-wide. The latter with a 5x optical zoom. As for the selfie camera, the Pixel Fold offers a resolution of 9.5MP. Other features include wireless charging, an IPX8 and Gorilla Glass pictures, and glossy aluminum. The Google Pixel Fold is interesting, isn't it? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Here, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is now the latest and the greatest Android Fold from Samsung. It has a more powerful SoC, a brighter internal display, a better hinge that folds completely flat, and a design that's now 10 grams lighter. Pricing has remained expensive at $1,600 this year. The main display is quite big when unfolded at 7.6 inches, while the smaller one comes in at 6.2 inches. The internal screen also supports Samsung S Pen stylus. You also get an IPX8 rating and wireless charging. You will also get the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of storage. There is also a 4400 mAh dual battery. The camera has a 50MP wide camera, 12MP ultra-wide shooter, and 10MP telephoto lens. Are you interested in this phone? Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. This is the most compact Samsung foldable. The Samsung Z Flip 5 sees a significant upgrade on this cover screen. You will enjoy a full-size phone after flipping it open. When in flipping mode, there are 3.4 inches and we can operate apps running on it. When the flip opens, you will enjoy a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz and up to 1750 nits. Powering a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor makes this phone compact and powerful. It comes with 8GB of RAM and variant storage 128GB, 256GB or 512GB. Samsung still put the camera 12MP wide and ultra-wide, and on the front camera, there is 10MP selfie camera. And don't worry about durability, its combine of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and armor aluminum feels premium and sturdy. Also, Samsung IPX8 rating gains splashes and accidental tips. For the battery capacity, this phone comes with 3700 mAh and 25W fast charging, ready to be accompanied on a long day. Are you interested in the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5? The Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus has a standout rounded design and spacious screen. Has a 3.6-inch cover screen, making the Motorola Razr Plus cover screen for almost all your daily needs. When the screen is loaded, there is more spacious 6.9-inch internal display LTPO AMOLED panel, a 165Hz refresh rate, and up to 1400 nits. The Motorola Razr Plus uses premium material made from aluminum, and the hinge is stainless steel. It also carries an official IP52 rating against water and dust. The Motorola Razr Plus, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Along with the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4, it comes with Android 13, 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage to back up the flagship chipset. It pairs a 12MP primary camera with a 13MP ultra-wide lens and on the cover display, and 32MP punch hole selfie shooter on the inside. The Motorola Razr Plus have 3800 mAh for the battery and 30W of wire charging. Make charger time quite fast. For price, launched at $999, but sure, now the price has dropped. That is why it became a competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4. The Oppo N2 Flip became one of our favorite foldable devices because it is gorgeously designed. The phone is plenty powerful. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 4300 mAh battery. The internal display size is a 6.8-inch display, an LTPO AMOLED panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio, and 1 to 120Hz variable refresh rate. Even the excellent external display offering a 3.26-inch. The primary camera is decently sized at 50 megapixel and the small 8 megapixel ultrawide, while for the selfie camera, Oppo attached 32 megapixel camera. It has a large 4300 mAh battery, 44-watt Super VOOC charging, and there is also IPX4 rated water resistance and protective glass. Oppo says its display and hinge are rated for 400,000 fold and unfold cycles. The price is around $1,000 USD. That is why the Oppo N2 Flip is quite interesting. Here is the piece of Xiaomi Foldable, Xiaomi MIXFall 3. The outer screen as big as smartphone, 6.5-inch AMOLED at 120Hz, while unfolded, the main screen size of the 8.03-inch foldable LTPO OLED plus 120Hz panel is similarly excellent and up to 1300 nits. Powered by the flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it comes with two configurations of RAM, 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the storage 256GB or 512GB storage option. Xiaomi trusted the camera to Leica, who consists of 50 megapixel main camera, two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, and 12 megapixel ultrawide camera, while for the selfie camera there is 20 megapixel, so you will expect stunning camera result from this. To provide two big screen, Xiaomi has a 4800 mAh battery, a 67-watt wired charger, and a 50-watt wireless charger. For durability, Xiaomi press material mentioned a TÜV certification for 500,000 hinge fold, and that's probably the highest number we have seen of this kind. So do you are interested with this one?